How to use CapCut application, editing Reels and TikToks. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can use the CapCut application to edit your Instagram Reels and your TikToks. So let's get into it. Now the CapCut application is an amazing way for you to edit your Instagram Reels or for you to edit your TikToks because it allows you to do professional editing at a very simple tool. Plus, you don't need to create a fancy account or you don't need to pay for any kind of fancy services. It's for free. Just go into your app store, just open up your app store over here and search for CapCut. And this is a super powerful video editing tool. This also has a browser version or a application version for your laptop and for your PC. So you can choose to do that on your laptop or on your PC as well. So it's a very powerful tool with a lot of different features. Now, I have just uploaded this video. I have not edited anything at all. So this is a very simple plain video like this. So it's just like a simple scenery, and maybe I want to create a TikTok with this. So what I'm going to do, first off, you have your basic editing settings. You can change the speed. So let's say I have normal and I want to make it smoother and I want to slow it down maybe. So you can choose whether or not you want to increase or decrease the speed, and it will also show you the duration that it might be increased or decreased to. So I don't want to change the speed of that, but I will mute the actual video and then I can click on edit over here. You can also add animations. So you can add in animations, how it's going to fade in or shake in, and how it's going to fade out. So you have multiple different options for that, especially if you're making more funky kind of TikToks, then it's going to be a lot more helpful for you to add these features. After that, you also have style features, which allow you to upload a certain kind of effect. So we can click on allow. And now you can see over here you have multiple different effects that you can add. So you have freeze frame effects as well, like this one. And this will actually download the specific effects. These are pretty heavy effects that are used in super heavy professional editing as well. So this is going to take quite a long time to add these kinds of effects, but you do have the option for these kinds of effects as well. Now you can see currently I haven't done anything to the video, but first off I'm just going to click on the speed and I'm going to click on curve. And you can even do a curve speed. So if you're creating a montage, you can choose any of these speeds. These are optimized for, specific types of videos. So let's say we want custom, and then you can do a custom frame by frame speed as well. Now we're just going to do a normal speed, and I'm just going to change the duration to be slightly slower like this. And I will just do this. And you can see over here we have a very simple video that we have uploaded. Now, once you have your project, ready, however you want to place it, you can click on audio over here and you can add any sound that you want. So you have multiple different stock sounds, you have effect sounds as well that you can add. You also have things like extracted and voiceover sounds that you can add to your videos. Now, I'm just going to go back into the video, and you also have stickers, text, and overlays that you can add. Now, in overlays, you can add any of the overlay of your choice. So you can add multiple different videos. You can go into your stickers section over here and you can add any of these stickers of your choice. You also have things like auto captions, text templates, auto lyrics. So if you have any music playing in the background, you can add that lyrics or add that info onto your video as well. Moving on to our next editing tool, you have effects. So you have video effects over here. So placing this at a preview, you can click on the video effect, and you can see there are so many different types of effects. So you can click on the trending ones. You can see whatever is trending is probably a good way that you can, make your video more appealing. So let's say we want to add shining sparkles. And we will just add this, and you can add this to your favorites as well. Now you can see we've added a little bit of a sparkling effect to our video. You have multiple different effects available. There are so many different options to choose from on their editor. So you really have an abundance to choose from. Now after that, you can see now once we have our basic video, we have a bottom section, which is the shining sparkles filter that we've added. Now after that, we also have body effects that you can add. So this is specifically for videos that have a person in them. And this will enable you to really customize the look of your video, especially if you have a person within your video as well. After that, you have basic filters. That is just to change the overall lighting and effect of the video. And this can really, change the look of your videos and how they appear to your audience. Now after that, you also have formats. So you can choose what kind of ratio you want this. So usually for things like Instagram Reels or TikToks, it is going to be a 9:16 ratio that you want to select to make sure that they are the optimum size for your Instagram Reel. After that, you also have canvas, so you can add a background blur or a background color as well. And after that, we're just going to go back. We're going to go back and you can click on adjust over here. So once you click on adjust, you can simply choose how you want everything to be layered. You can click on polish and enter or, customize any of the items that you have added. Now, let's say we want to click on audio and you can add audios as well. Let's say I want to add some text to my TikTok. So let's say to the start of the video, I want to click on add text and I will enter some text. So I'm just going to enter some text. I'm going to enter moments I didn't know. And once I've entered the text, you can actually go to the bottom over here and you actually have multiple different effects and fonts that you can choose from. So I'm going to change the font, and this is like a very popular kind of TikTok theme where it's a trend to post about moments you didn't know were special until they were over. So in this way, you can just join in on TikTok trends and make them quite a lot more fancier than they originally were. So this can really help in making your TikToks or your Instagram Reels appear more stylish and more interesting than other basic shorts or TikToks or Instagram Reels. Then you can also click on the text style, so you can really customize how the text actually looks as well. So let's say I don't want to add any style, but you can also add effects as well. So you have basic luminance, multicolor effects. Then you also have animations, so you can choose how the text is going to appear on screen. So let's say I want it to appear like this, or I want it to float down. However you want it to appear on your screen, you can see there are so many different effects that you can choose from, and you can see that there are quite a few different effects. So let's say we wanted to just go in with concentrate like this. And you can also choose the intensity. How long should it take to apply this entire item? How quickly should it be? So let's say I want it to appear for a long time, and then you can choose it whether or not you want the text to be in a bubble or not. After you've done that, you can just click on continue over here and you can just have your text. Now in this way, you can really add multiple different things, multiple different items to a very simple video to make it a lot more interesting. Now on the end, you actually do have this basic version and you can delete the ending CapCut section. So don't worry about that. A lot of the times it will appear and people don't realize that they can remove it, but you can choose to delete this section and you can choose to add like a black ending or a more customized ending that would fit your actual brand or your actual aesthetic. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with editing your TikToks or Reels using CapCut's mobile editor. Now they do have a computer or PC version, which I do recommend that you check out because it is super powerful and super effective as a free tool. It does compare with a lot of the more premium tools that are used by professional video editors, and it has all the basic features that you could need for your social media platforms. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.